discussed questions on single card. Now let us have a quick revision. Some questions based on single card. Suppose a card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. What is the probability that it is a black card? Now what is the total number of black card? It is 26. So answer is 26 by 52, that is 1 by 2. Suppose a card is drawn. What is the probability that it is a queen? Now total number of queens 4 divided by now total number of cards, that is 52. 4 by 52. Number of favorable events divided by total number of event, 4 by 52, 1 by 13. So single card, it is very easy. Now let us discuss about multiple cards. Multiple cards. So again, multiple cards we can divide into two categories, two types of questions: with replacement and without replacement. One very important trick, remember, in case of with replacement, always use PC. PC means principle of counting. Principle of counting. It is in permutation combination, principle of counting. If an event occurs in m different ways and after that another event occurs in n different ways, then both the event will occur in m into n different ways. Then without replacement, remember, always and every time you have to use combination. Without replacement, combination. So again, it's very simple. With replacement, always solve the problem with principle of counting, and without replacement, solve the question with combination, by applying combination. Now let us discuss questions. Question number 1, question number 6. 3 cards are drawn with replacement. Okay, from a pack of 52 cards, what is the probability that all the 3 cards are kings? Here I would like to make the question more clear. See here, 3 cards are drawn one after another. Okay, one after another. Now I made the question very clear. 3 cards are drawn one after another with replacement from a pack of 52 cards. What is the probability that all the 3 cards are kings? With replacement, that means you draw a card, okay, look at it, and again you replace it. Card ta bahar kalo, dekhilo, puni rakhidelo. 3 cards are drawn one after another with replacement. Okay. So what is the probability that all the 3 cards are kings? Now let us solve the question. Number 6. Okay, first card king and second card is also king. Third card is also king. Remember, in probability, and means multiplication, or means addition. Remember this. And means multiplication, or means addition. First one is king, and the second one is king, and the third one is king. Or in case of, you can also say that it is principle of counting. This is the first event, second event, and third event. So what is the probability? The first one is king. It is 4 by, there are 4 kings, 52. Second one is king. Again it is 4 by 52. Because you have replaced the card. Now the number of king is same. Okay. Third one is king. Card ta bahar kalo, dekhilo, puni rakhi delo. ताले किंग रो आसियार प्रोबेबिलिटी के चेंज हेबोनी अगेन नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल इवेंट होची 4 टोटल नंबर ऑफ इवेंट होची 52 सो 1/13 होल क्यूब आंसर इज 1/13 होल क्यूब सो जते बेले सिंगल कार्ड विथ रिप्लेसमेंट वन आफ्टर अनदर आसीबो सेते बेले सब बेले तमरो प्रिंसिपल ऑफ काउंटिंग देन हमें नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को जो सेम क्वेश्चन केवल गोटे वर्ड चेंज होची क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 रे अछि विथ रिप्लेसमेंट एठी कोन अछि 3 कार्ड्स आर ड्रॉन विदाउट रिप्लेसमेंट रिप्लेस हेनी what is the probability that all the 3 cards are kings there is no replacement कार्ड बाहर कलो पुणी आउट कार्ड बाहर कलो पुणी आउट कार्ड बाहर करो और एक तुम 3टा कार्ड बाहर करो सेम जिनस सो विदाउट रिप्लेसमेंट मीन्स ऑलवेज एंड एवरी टाइम यू हैव टू यूज कॉम्बिनेशन नाउ तुम्हें कितना कार्ड बाहर कर हमें बाहर कर 3टा कार्ड टोटल कितना कार्ड अच्छे 52 कार्ड अच्छे सो 3 कार्ड्स यू कैन चूज इन हाउ मेनी वेज इन 52C3 कॉम्बिनेशन 52C3 वे रे तमें टोटल 3टा वर्ड चूज कर 3टा कार्ड किंतु तुमको कौन दरकार यू नीड how many kings 3 kings total how many kings are there total 4 kings are there so out of 4 kings in how many ways you can select 3 kings that is your number of favorable event so number of favorable event habo 4C3 so answer ala tamara 4C3 divided by 52C3 सो ए टाइप रो क्वेश्चन खाली मल्टीपल कार्ड रे नहीं ए टाइप रो कॉम्बिनेशन रो जो एप्लीकेशन अछि खाली मल्टीपल कार्ड नहीं ए कॉम्बिनेशन रो एप्लीकेशन हमरो जेतले बॉल रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन आसीबो सेते बेले भी कॉम्बिनेशन रो एप्लीकेशन रही ओके नेक्स्ट हमें आउ किछटा कार्ड रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन करबा आउ बॉल रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन करबा जोडा भी तमरो कॉम्बिनेशन रे सॉल्व Question number 8. 4 cards are drawn from a pack of 52 cards. What is the probability that there will be 2 kings and 2 queens? And number 2, there will be 3 red and 1 black card. So, solution very simple. Question number 8. Multiple cards, nothing is given means it is without replacement. So you need total number of cards drawn is 4. 4 cards are drawn. So we can draw 4 cards in how many different ways? 52C4. This is the sample space. Then there will be 2 kings. How many kings are there? 4 kings are there. Out of 4 you need 2. 4C2 into 2 queens. How many queens are there? There are again 4 queens are there. So again 4C2. So here see, you need 2 kings and 2 queens divided total you are choosing 4 cards. So 4 out of 52 is your sample space. So simply we have written this is number of favorable event, this is total number of events. Favorable events you need 2 king, 4C2 and means multiplication 4C2 2 queens divided by total 4 cards you can draw in how many different ways. So this is the number of available element divided by total number of events. Then next question, it is bit 2. There will be 3 red and 1 black. So number 2, as it is, the denominator will be total number of events. Again 4, 52, 52, C 4. But you need 3 red cards. Total number of red cards is 26, C 3 into total number of black cards is again 26, C 1. 3 red and 1 black. This is your number of favorable outcome divided by total number of outcome. 4 cards out of 52 you can draw in how many different ways. So this is 52C 4. Now the same concepts can be applied in case of questions related to ball. Now let us solve question number 9. A box contains 10 red ball, 20 blue and 30 green ball. 10 red, 20 blue and 30 green ball. 5 balls are drawn. What is the probability that all are blue? What is the probability that second bit 3 red and 2 green? Now let us solve. So total number of ball is blue. There are 10 red, 20 blue and 30 green. Red 10 red, blue 20 and green 30. So total number of ball is 60. Total is 60. Now number 1. Total is 60. Number 1. All are blue. So you have to draw 5 balls. So the denominator will be definitely 60C 5. 5 ball out of 60 you can draw in 60C 5 ways. Then in that 5 ball all are blue. Total there are 20 blue balls. So 20C 5. This is your favorable event and this is your total number of events. Then question number 2. Question number 2 says 3 red ball and 2 green ball. Total you draw 5 ball. So denominator you have 60C 5 and numerator you need 3 red. Total number of red ball is 10C3 into 2 green ball. Total number of green ball is 30. So 30C2. 10C3 into 30C2 divided by 60C5. The approach is same. So questions related to ball in a bag or questions related to multiple cards without replacement you can apply combination. Question number 10 and question number 11, it is based on a concept. Okay, this concept is again from set theory. See, in set theory we know the formula probability of or A intersection B is equal to modulus of A plus modulus of B minus A union B, or A union B is equal to modulus of A plus modulus of B minus A intersection B. The same formula is there in probability. So this is the concept. Probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. It is there in set theory and it is there in probability also. Now, let us discuss the question. Question number 10. A card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. What is the probability that it is a king or black card? Now, this is another variety of single card. King or black. So, let A be the king and B be black. Or means what? Or in set theory, or means union. Similarly, in probability also, or means union. So, probability of A union B, let A be king and B be black. Okay. Now, probability of A, there are how many kings are there? 4 kings are there. So, probability of A is 4 by 52. Probability of B is black card. How many black cards are there? There are 26 black cards are there. 26 by 52 minus A intersection B. A intersection B means black and king. So how many black kings are there? There are 2 black kings are there. So minus 2 by 52. So now it becomes 30 minus 2, 28 by 52 or 7 by 13. Probability of A union B, king or black. Now the next question, next bit. It is a queen or heart. So again, same formula, probability of A union B, let A be queen and B be heart. So what is probability of A? Probability of A, how many queens are there? There are 4 queens. 4 by 52 plus how many heart? Total number of hearts is 13 by 52. Here it is single card, it is not multiple card. So 4 by 52 plus 13 by 52 minus A intersection B, that means queen and heart. So how many heart queens are there? Only 1. So minus 1 by 52. Now 17 minus 1, 16 by 52, it is 4 by 13. 4 by 13. So these are examples of single card and also A union B type question. Now let us discuss the next question based on numbers. Again, the concept is same. Probability of A union B equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. So question number 11. 30 balls are numbered 1 to 30. If a ball is drawn at randomly, then what is the probability that it is divisible by 3 or means again union 3 or 4. So ball related question, divisible by 3 or 4. Again the approach is same. Let A be the number divisible by 4 or 3, B be the numbers divisible by 4. So probability of A union B is equal to probability of A. First of all, how many numbers from 1 to 30 are divisible by 3? There are 10 numbers. 10 numbers are there from 1 to 30. 3 into 10, 30. So 10 numbers are there. So it is 10 by 30 plus how many numbers are there divisible by 4? divisible by 4, it is 7 numbers. 7 4s are 28. So 7 by 30 minus how many numbers are there? That is divisible by 3 and 4. That means divisible by 12. There are only two numbers, that is 12 and 24. So minus 2 by 30. So total is 17 minus 2, 15 by 30, 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So these are the questions based on the concept probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Next session we will discuss some special type of miscellaneous type of questions along with conditional probability, Bayes theorem and most important binomial distribution in probability. Thank you very much.